India launches world's first green steel taxonomy. S.T. Kumaraswamy, Union Minister of Steel and Heavy Industries, unveiled the taxonomy of green steel for India during an event held at Vigyan Bhavan. India is committed to decarbonize the steel sector in alignment with net zero emission intensity target by 2017. Ministry of Steel, Government of India release of Green Steel Taxonomy for India and stakeholder consultation for National Mission on Green Steel. This was launched on 12th December 2024. Globally, there is no commonly accepted definition of green steel. India is the first nation to release the taxonomy of green steel. Green steel shall be defined in terms of percentage greenness of the steel. The greenness of the steel shall be expressed as a percentage based on how much the steel plant's emission intensity is lower compared to the threshold. Threshold 2.2 tons of CO2 e per ton of finished steel TFS. This threshold limit shall be reviewed every 3 years. The National Institute of Secondary Steel Technology NISST shall serve as the nodal agency for measurement, reporting and verification MRV, as well as for issuing the greenness certificate and star ratings for the steel. Based on the greenness, the green steel shall be rated as follows: 5-star green rated steel, steel with emission intensity lower than 1.6 T CO2 e per TFS. 4-star green rated steel, steel with emission intensity between 1.6 and 2.0 T CO2 e per TFS. 3-star green rated steel, steel with emission intensity between 2.0 and 2.2 T CO2 e per TFS. CO2 e per TFS means carbon dioxide emission per ton of finished steel. Importance of green steel taxonomy: advancing national mission on green steel, a proposed 15,000 crore mission under the upcoming green steel policy to support decarbonization of steel industry. Boosting global competitiveness helps Indian steel remain competitive amid global policies like the European Union's Carbon Border Adjustment Mechanism (CABM) positions India as a leader in green steel manufacturing, promoting innovation and growth, represent a transformative framework in steel production that will foster innovation and create a market for low carbon production in India. Key initiative to decarbonize steel sector in India: National Mission for Enhanced Energy Efficiency. It is one of the 8 missions under the National Action Plan for Climate Change (NAPCC). National Action Plan for Climate Change (NAPCC). Perform, Achieve and Trade (PAT). Perform, Achieve and Trade (PAT) scheme market-based mechanism under NMEEE to enhance energy efficiency through energy saving certificate ESCERTS SARTs. Other initiatives: Green Hydrogen Energy Mission, National Solar Mission, Steel Scrap Recycling Policy 2019 etc.